How to delete a Canva design permanently. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete a Canva design permanently in your Canva application for Windows. So as currently you can see that I am in my Canva application for Windows 11, and you can see that I have created these designs which are listed under the recent designs. So you can browse your designs that you have created, and I want to delete any of the design that I want. So for example, let's say if I want to delete this design right here, so what you can do is simply click onto these three dots. So whenever you will hover your cursor over to any design, these three dots will appear. So simply click onto these three dots, and then you will have this option that says move to trash. So simply click onto this move to trash button, and here you can see this message that says design move to trash, which means that the design have been successfully moved to trash, but it is not permanently deleted as of now. So in order to permanently delete the particular design, you need to click onto this trash button at the very bottom over to this particular slide bar. So simply click onto this trash button, and here you can see the deleted design. So it says all designs you have trashed can be found here. You will have 30 days to restore them before they are automatically deleted from the trash. So in case you want to delete it right now, you can simply hover your cursor and you will see the three dots again. So simply click onto this three dot, and from here you have two options. Either you can restore the deleted folder or the deleted design using this restore button, or you can delete from the trash. If you will choose the second option, then this design will be permanently deleted from your Canva accounts. So simply click onto this delete from trash, and it says delete from trash. You are about to delete untitled design from the trash. This can't be undone. So if you want to proceed, you can click onto this delete from trash button, and here you can see that the design has now been also deleted from the trash, which means it has been successfully deleted permanently. So that's how easily you can permanently delete any design in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.